One can grow most of the plants, including ornamental and flowering plants. But we have visualized only vegetables and fruit plants to make it a useful one. You need to employ your common sense for choosing plants. Give preference to vegetables commonly used in your kitchen. You can grow leafy vegetables like coriander, mint, methi, brahmi, spinach, colocasia, different type of amaranthus, etc. One can go for common vegetables like tomato, brinjal, okra, chili, capsicum, cluster bean, cauliflower, cabbage, knoll cole, radish, carrot, beetroot, onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, potato, green peas, etc. We can opt for climbers like bitter gourd, chow chow, ridge gourd, snake gourd, bottle gourd, different types of beans, cucumber, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Perennial plants like Indian spinach, little gourd, Indian borage, drumstick, curry leaf, etc. are also successful with bigger containers. Terrace gardeners can go for perennial fruit plants like banana, guava, sapota, pomegranate, papaya, avocado, custard apple, mosambi, orange, lime, cherry, strawberry, fig, vanilla, grape, sugarcane, etc. But these plants need more space and the gardener must have patience to wait till they bear fruit. High-speed wind on the terrace tears out banana leaves, leading to small fingers. Plant only grafted plants while opting for fruit plants. Normally, grafted plants are bushy in nature and bear fruits early. Keep on pruning the tips of vertical shoots and lateral branches to restrict it to a bush of 5 to 6 feet high. We can accommodate medicinal plants like neem, basil, aloe vera, giloy, sweet flag, black pepper, beetle vine, etc. Likewise, the gardener can have most of the plants matching to his interest. But give preference to those plants liked by all members of the family. Restrict number of crops and varieties yourself. Too many crops will affect the growth of all plants. Place perennial plants and climbers on the edge of the terrace so that the annuals are comfortable in the middle. Availability of light is also a crucial factor in big cities due to adjacent tall buildings. Most of the plants like full sunlight. They need sunshine at least for 3 hours a day. Allot less light area to shade-tolerant leafy and stem vegetables. Keep plants yielding fruits and tubers under full sunlight. There is no ready design or formula for structuring a terrace garden. Apply your mind and learn the art by trial and error.